Alright, this is another practice video for isolations from class 3. There were 2 advanced isolations that we had kind of come up with and we're working on in class, so I will do those 2. The first one is the pattern that we called the flower. What this pattern is you're basically exercising the 9 different grid points in kind of an isolation pattern that kind of focuses on center. We started it with this vertical, and then so you do the vertical into a diagonal, and then your rotation points for this are for me, top left, bottom right, which would be like a 3 and 7, I believe, or however you do your grid. And so from here, you're doing an isolation there. So you're isolating here, you're isolating here. So you spin it around into that isolation, keep it in the diagonal. Now you do one more half rotation while you bring into the other diagonal. Technically that might have been a quarter rotation. And then you do the other corners. So again, you're isolating here, isolating here. So you're doing that. And then when you come down to there, you're going to get right to the horizontal. You're going to do the isolations at the, what would that be? That would be the 4 and the 6. And then from here, you spin it back up into the vertical. So I'll do it all in one flow. So you're starting in the vertical. So you're starting the vertical like this, you're going into the diagonal, spin the diagonal, spin the diagonal into horizontal, horizontal, spin back into the vertical. So I'll do it one more time. So I think it's kind of like this. Boom, up into here, there, horizontal, there, into the vertical. Like that. So that is, again, what we call the flower. It's a really nice pattern. It definitely takes some practice, but it looks really good. That was a nice one, a fun one to come up with. So again, here, boom. And again, this is just another example of changing. You're doing the same basic isolations, but you're changing the position, you're changing your levels, and that's similar to the level change. You're doing, a similar thing. So that's the flower, and I'll do the other one next.